Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lila Mamukoki, and today we will be doing an acid and base neutralization experiment. So for this experiment, we will need common household substances such as Coke, vinegar, lemon juice, and a natural indicator of red cabbage. Join me in this experiment as we are about to see what comes about. The objective is to observe the neutralization process when acids and bases react and understand how the indications work. It is important to follow safety measurements such as wearing gloves and and goggles, but we don't need to do that because this is a safe household experiment, which ensures one thing we'll need to ensure is just proper ventilation and handling substances carefully to avoid contact with skin and contact with clothing and eyes. By the end of this experiment, I expect to see distinct color changes, confirming that the pH levels are demonstrating neutralization. So let's speak. You might be asking yourself why this experiment is important and why we should do it. Well, acid and base neutralization is to demonstrate to us how an acid and a base react with one another to form salt and a water. The key principle is that the acid release H ions while the bases release OH ions. When the ions combine, they form water, which is H2O, reducing the effects of both acid and base with one another. So today we are going to be testing. So here I have all my cups, which I'm going to pour the acids and the base to see whether this neutralization works or not. So here I already filled it. I have vinegar and it smells extremely sinister. Here I have bicarbonate of soda. I'm just gonna pour enough so we can get proper. And then here I have a sanitizer, which is also a household substance. So I'm just gonna pour it. And then my next one is Coke. We are also going to test it. Apparently Coke is very acidic, so we are going to see whether it is or not. I might just drink this after. I'm joking. Anyways, here and then I have lemon juice. Okay, so I have all my substances here. I have the vinegar, the bicarbonate of soda, sanitizer, which is 70% ethanol, my Coke, which I'm about to drink later, and my lemon juice. And here I have my natural pH indicator, which is my red cabbage. This smells funny, so I think this experiment is gonna work. So first I'm going to be testing the vinegar, whether it changes color or not. What? So the vinegar turned a very dark pink. That is so crazy. It turned dark pink. So we are going to test the bicarbonate of soda next. This is so weird. The bicarbonate of soda has turned green blue. Let me get something to mix it. It has turned blue. So I'm picking this up as a blue, a sea blue, a bit of a light blue, if I can say it. It doesn't show on the camera that much, but this is a light blue, an ocean blue. And then we are going to be testing the sanitizer, whether it changes color or not. Okay, it has turned purple. Sanitizer is neutral. According to my research, is neutral, so I did not expect it to change color that much, but it kind of has. It is a velvet color, yeah. And then I'm going to be testing my Coke. Coke is naturally black, if I can say it like that, so I don't see much of a color change, although I'm seeing a bit of a dark red. Like, yeah, I'm seeing a bit of a dark red, but it could just be in my mind because Coke is naturally that color in the sun. So I don't think there's any change in this one. I don't know whether that means it's neutral or not. I will research. And then lemon juice. This is so fascinating. So lemon juice has turned a pink, but it's a different pink from this one. This one is a more off-tone pink, and this one is the brightest pink I could get from this experiment. So as we can see, all of these have changed color almost except this one. So this is the sanitizer, which shocks me the most. This is quite experimental. So thank you guys for watching my video. This was the experiment of acid base neutralization. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was very educational and shocking as it was to you from me. Thank you for watching. My name is Lulama Mokoki. I am a student at Stadio Centurion campus, and this is my NST